Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in the Kadoorie farm and botanical garden. So I never been here, so actually it's my first time being here. So let's go see what do they have. So look, there are many farms and beautiful plants. Look at this. So here in this garden they farm the eggplant. Look, you can see people farm eggplants here. So this is the greenhouse, so we can take a look. So this is one doe farm, so let's go see what's in there. Here there's a small pond and there's kind of lily pads and other plants here. And I can see some farming. So this is the cage, and here inside this cage there's a parrot, and this parrot is called African gray parrot. So here, this is the insect room. So let's take a look, what do they have. Look at, you can hear insects. So here inside this insect house, there is aquarium with insects. So this insect is actually look like a live stick. So actually this insect is called giant prickly stick insect. Here inside the cage there is a animal, and here inside there's a deer called northern red muntjac. Look, it's right there, over here. So here, this is the pond with turtles, and actually this turtle is called red-eared slider. And actually a turtle is right over there doing sun bathing. So now I have fun here in this park, and then we see many animals and amazing plants and farming, and actually I enjoy this place so much. And thanks for watching my video. I hope you like my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and comment me down below. And thanks, and bye.